gentlemen, welcome to Conversations with Jim. And here we are with Brad.
Brad.
This is Brad from Phoenix, and he does a very interesting job. And so that's why we'll start up the conversation. Brad, tell them what you do.
I rescue and relocate wild birds that get caught into Walmart stores, Sam's Clubs, commercial grocery stores, things like that.
So he's rescuing the birds, and he does this at the moment in Phoenix, right?
Phoenix, right?
But he used to do it in New Orleans, he said. And I thought that's a really cool job. I've never heard of that. I've kind of heard of that job, but I didn't know about meeting anybody that did that. Tell more about what kind of birds you rescue.
Yeah, we rescue. I've rescued hawks out of stores. Actually, the Walmart here in Chapatulas, there was a heron had walked into the store, and we actually rescued it, got it out, and let it go, and let him out. Hawks, sparrows, pigeons. In Shreveport, there was actually a bird called a Chuckwill's Widow, which looks sort of like a mashup between a hawk and an owl.
Wow.
Kind of a funny looking bird.
So you're rescuing just any kind of birds all the time.
Right.
That's why when he told me that, I was like, well, I got to get him to do this. I love people that love animals. So that's really cool. He's passing by New Orleans on his way to see his family in Alabama, right?
Right.
What else you want to tell about your job?
Well, that's well. Everybody asks, how do you do it? In other words, how do you catch the birds in this thing? We actually use nets that we actually hang across the. We watch the flight path of how they fly, and we hang nets across the ceiling, and the birds fly into the net, and we let them out and take them out outside that way.
Wow.
Depending on what kind of bird they are, sparrows actually will come right back in the store. They know where the food is, so we'll take sparrows 10 miles away so that they don't come right back in.
Cool. So I don't know what else to ask, but I think thanks a lot for what you do. It's really fantastic when you meet a guy that does this for all of us. And thanks for watching Conversations with Jim here on Royal Street. And thanks very much to our filmer today, Jesus. All right.